Hello and welcome, it's Speedy on the mic again. This video is for all the beginners out there. If you're a total beginner, this video is definitely for you. The reason being because it's gonna be very simple, and I think all the Sungura guitars, they kind of start on this point. So it goes like this without wasting any time. That is a chord of A. We're in the key of A. So we are going to use these simple chords. Then if you're a total beginner, this video is gonna help you with a couple of things. One, which is to maintain your movement, because really at this stage we don't want to play a lot of stuff, because that will just kind of confuse us. We just need to play something simple that is solid, something that we can build from, So we have that is A. The flat, this flat is a D. Then we go back to A. Then that is E, another flat. So that's A. That is D. That is A again. That is E. So okay, it goes like this. Before we start you have an idea how the rhythm goes. So like I said, we need to maintain how we move, the rhythm, and also kind of to have a clear sound at this stage. This is what we need. So slow by slow, let's hold our chord. So it's gonna be like the open is number 2, then that flat, So also another thing that we are teaching ourselves at this stage as beginners is how we pick the picking hand, how we alternate. So because there are a lot of patterns. Those patterns kind of give you a good sound depending on which ones you choose first, right? So if you check on the beginning, it's just going downwards. So it's open, going down again. Going down again. So only on this part here, that's when you go. So the rhythm kind of come up together when we mix up those chords, the opens and the See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.